everyone, welcome back to my class. This is Rumana Ali. I hope you all are doing well. In today's class, let us start a new lesson, and the name of our lesson is Houses, Construction, Sanitation. We all live in the houses. In the villages and in towns, there are so many houses that are built and there the people live, right? So, in this chapter, we are going to see what are the different materials that are required to build the different houses, and we are going to learn about the houses which are present in the past and also the houses which are built in the present situation. So, here we will discuss about a mason whose name is Yadagiri. He was a mason. He built hundreds of houses from last 20 years. So, let us talk about his experience. When he was young, when Yadagiri was young, in his childhood, they made a house their parents made a house in the village. So, they used the different materials to build their house. What are the different materials that they used to make their house? So, they used mud, they used palm leaves. So, these are some of the material that has been used by the family members of Yadagiri. What they did, they made some lumps with the help of a mud. With these lumps, they built certain walls. Once the walls were built up to 6 feet, then they used the different materials to make the roof. For example, they used palm leaves in order to make the roof, in order to cover the roof. Firstly, they make the walls, then on that walls, they tied certain bamboos in this way in order to make a roof, and after the roof has been built by the family members of Yadagiri, then they covered this roof with the help of palm leaves. In such a way they built a house, and even the walls were whitewashed by his mother, and they used to use cow dung. They use cow dung, and even they use rangoli to make certain designs on the walls of their houses. So, in such a way, muddy houses were built in the olden days, and that houses were too cool. As it was made by the mud, the rooms of the houses, they were too cool. So, we can live in this house. This was about the houses that were there in the villages during past times, okay. But when Yadagiri was 18 years old, at that time he became a mason, and when he became a mason, he started building the different kinds of houses. So, in the beginning, he made the houses with mud. He made the roofs and the walls of the houses with mud, and mud is made by the combination of lime and stone. Lime and stone, it is going to be grind. We grind this lime and stone into the mortar in order to make a paste, and that paste is used to make the different walls and the roofs of the different houses. In such a way, the mixture of lime and stone is used to make the walls and the roofs of the houses. After a period of time, those days, the houses were also made by using the baked bricks and lime. So, the people, they use baked bricks and lime in order to make the houses, and the walls of those houses can be made by using a material called plaster. So, to plaster the walls, to clean up the walls, they use a mixture of sand and lime. So, the mixture of sand and lime helps to plaster the walls, and the different kinds of woods like teak, vegisa logs, all these kind of wood can be taken to make the roof of the different houses. So, in such a way, in the olden days, only mud were in use to build the different houses, but after a period of time, they started using the mud to make both roofs and walls, and also they use the mixture of lime and stone. Then after a period of time, or after certain years, then they start using the baked ribs and lime, and also they use the mixture of sand and lime in order to plaster the walls, and they use different kinds of woods to make the roof. So in this way, the development in building the houses can be seen in the different years. And nowadays, in present days, the people, they are making buildings and they are using cement, concrete, steel, bricks and different tiles. All these materials, they are in use to build the different houses, to construct the houses in present times. So, in the present times, as they are using tiles and steel in order to make, in order to decorate the walls, and also they are using marble to make the floor, this kind of masons like Yadagiri, they are not good in doing all sort of work. So the various kinds of workers, they are coming to do these specialized work. So one individual needs to be specialized in doing the work using different tiles and steel, and also in decorating the walls, and also in painting. Painting cannot be done by each and every individual. Some of the persons are specialized in doing the painting. So we call those workers to work. So in this way, houses are of different types. In the past, we used to make the houses by using few materials like mud. But nowadays, we are using a lot of material to build a building. Like we are using cement, bricks, concrete, steel, tiles, marble. All those materials are in use to construct our houses. So this is the difference between the houses that are there in the past and the houses that has been constructing in present times. Let us see the different materials that are required to make a building. So building can be made by using the main materials like cement and concrete. The pillars of the building can be built. It can be built by using the materials like steel and concrete. Cement bricks are used to make the walls of this building, and nowadays the people, they are arranging the lifts and vibrators in the building for their use, and the walls of that building, it can be smoothened by using a material called wall care putty. So wall care putty is a material that can be used by the individuals in order to smoothen the walls, in order to plaster the walls. And ceilings, where the fans, where we attach the fans, that is called as ceiling. A roof is called as the ceiling. So ceilings can be made by using the sheets of plaster of Paris. This is also a material that is required to make the ceiling, to make the roof of a building. So all these materials are required in order to make an attractive building. We need all these materials. Now we know that to make any house, to make any building, we need a basic material called brick. So let us see the method by which the bricks are made. There are so many steps that needs to be followed by the laborers in order to make the bricks. The first one is collecting clay. First step is to collect the clay. After the clay has been collected by you, mix that clay with the ash. After you mixes the clay with the ash, now add water to the mixture so that it become a paste. After it becomes a paste, now fill the molds with the mud lumps. Take the molds and fill that molds with the mud lumps so that it can get a shape of a rectangle. The molds which are present, they are in rectangular shape. So if you fill the molds with the mud lumps, then it will take the shape of that rectangular box, right? So after the bricks get dried under the sun, you can take out that bricks and you can keep that, you can arrange that bricks in layers in a kiln. In a kiln you have to arrange that layers, that too in the form of layers, and then you have to burn the kiln. When you burn the kiln, bricks are burned and you have to burn it till the bricks become red in color. After the bricks are burned to red, they needs to be cooled for a week and then you can sold it in the market. So all these steps are there in the method of preparation of bricks. So whenever the bricks are made, the laborers or the workers who are making the bricks, they follow all these steps. पहले तो क्ले को ऐश के साथ में मिक्स कर देंगे, उसके बाद में इसको एक मिक्सचर बनाने के लिए उसके अंदर वाटर ऐड करेंगे और जब ये मिक्सचर रेडी हो जाएगा तो इसको मोल्ड्स के अंदर फिल कर देंगे और इसको सूखने के लिए फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ ड्राइंग वी कीप इट अंडर द सनलाइट. इसको सन में रखने के बाद वो जब सूख जाएगा, ब्रिक्स जब ड्राई हो जाएंगे, इसको निकाल करके किन में डालेंगे, किन में लेयर्स के फॉर्म में रखेंगे और उसको बर्न करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. बर्न होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. हमें इसको तब तक बर्न करना है जब तक ये ब्रिक्स रेड कलर की ना हो जाए. जब ब्रिक्स रेड कलर में टर्न हो जाते हैं तब वी हैव टू स्टॉप बर्निंग इट एंड वी हैव टू कूल इट. अब इसको ठंडा करना होगा एक वीक के लिए. उसके बाद आफ्टर अ वीक you can sell those bricks into the market. So this is about all the steps that are there in making the bricks. Okay, let us discuss about the topic construction of houses, other materials. Just before, I explained you the method by which we can make the bricks. Beside bricks, there are so many other materials that are required to build a house. Like foundation stones are needed that are present in the states like Tandur and Khammam, and these stones are present in different colors. And even the stones like gravel stones, these kind of stones are used to make a good concrete. If you make a good concrete, then that concrete can be used to build a house, right? So gravel stones, they are crushed into smaller pieces. Huge rocks, they are, when we keep the huge rocks into the machine, that machine helps to cut that huge rocks into smaller pieces, and that smaller pieces can be used to make the concrete. So in this way, gravel stones are also very important. So bricks, foundation stones, gravel stones, all these kind of materials are required to build the different kinds of houses. Nowadays we are finding high cost houses, so the people they started constructing the apartments. Apartment is a building in which so many flats are present, and in each flat one family can live. So in this way apartments can be constructed, and in these apartments 25 to 30 families can live. Nowadays 50 families are also staying in one apartment. So to make the apartment, they need a lot of materials, right? They need a lot of machineries also. For example, mixer, crane, lift, all these kind of machineries are required to make the apartment. And in the apartment, one family who is staying in one house, that is called as flat. So many flats are made, and that flats together can be termed as an apartment. And to make a flat, we require the different machineries like mixer, crane and lift. And in the apartments, we are using the different materials like tiles, we are using marble. Tiles and marbles are used to make the floor of the flat, and the different materials like wood and iron, these kind of materials are used to make windows and doors of the apartment. So this is about the topic construction of apartments. In one apartment, more than 30 families can live. So there are so many flats that can be built in an apartment. And build a flat or to construct a flat, the different materials are required. We use that materials, we make the different flats, and in that flats the people can live. That's all for today. We'll discuss the remaining topics of this lesson in the next session. Goodbye.